Here's Josh with Team Slam Land with you again. Going to teach you how to present air into the goose call. Same way as a duck. You're just going to breathe air into it like you're fogging glasses. That's all you start off with. Then same thing. All you say is, everything's going to come from the diaphragm. So you can use the word guh or huh, guh, guh. So all you want to do is just keep saying goo, goo. You just want the call to crackle. Just try working on it just to keep the call steady. And once you can do that, it's called a moan. And all you have to do to make a honk is just break it over. Just put a little bit of air into it. One little quick burst. Until next time, here's Josh from Team Slam and Land.